Alright, now let's start the tutorial. First, add your clips to the timeline. After importing the clips, split them the way I am doing here. Start by splitting the first layer, then move the second layer slightly forward, change the scene, and split and trim it from that point. Your timeline should look something like this. Now pre-compose all the layers one by one. After that, apply the Texture Pro effect. Set the frame input according to your footage frame rate. Now go to the speed property and add your first keyframe at 150. Then add the last keyframe at -150. Ease both keyframes and create a graph similar to mine. Once done, copy the Twixtor effect and paste it onto all the layers. Now add the S_blur MO curves effect. In the effect settings, set the first reddest keyframe to 1.000 and keep the last keyframe at 1.000 as well. Then shape the graph into a smooth U-curve. Adjust the values according to how much zoom effect you want. After that, copy the blur mo curves effect and paste it onto every layer. Now your transition should look something like this. Finally, add your color correction. And that's it. Thanks for watching.